Historical photos you must see before you die. The wedding rings of Holocaust victims who were sent to the gas chambers, 1944. The last known photo of the Titanic afloat, 1912. D-Day landing, 1944. These soldiers were running into almost certain death. Nagasaki, 20 minutes after the atomic bombing of Japan, 1945. German soldiers watching footage of the concentration camps, 1945. Titanic survivors boarding a rescue boat after a long night at sea, 1912. World War II soldiers returning home, 1945. The last known photo of a Barbary lion before they went extinct, 1925. A native Indian overlooking the newly completed railroad in Sacramento, 1867. The first morning in Sweden after they switched driving sides on the road, 1972. The Titanic propellers pictures before it ever set sail, 1911.